how to highlight text in Figma. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can highlight any text here in figma.com, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. There are different methods in order to do that. I've seen that even some people are creating new fonts that each letter has like a big background on it, but today I'm gonna teach you the simplest method in order to do this. As you can see, if I resize this has an inconvenience because the highlight is the same square. There are some people also that just create the text and add a square at the background of your text, and that's how they highlight the text. But I'm gonna show you this process. So by now I'm going to create a new text. This is gonna be here. This is gonna be named highlight, and now you must type the text you want. So I'm going to write text, and you must press the right click on top of it, and now select add auto layout. Okay, it has a shortcut that is Shift A in my case, in my MacBook. So once you have added that, if you go into the right properties and go into the field property, I'm gonna add one. This is on white, but you can just select and change the color you want. That's it. That's how you can do it. But obviously, as I showed you previously, you must just select your text and be really careful how it's gonna appear, because if you don't like this, you must remove your layout and go in here and organize your text again. Let's suppose it's gonna be like this, and make the same process again. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.